about my day off. I wake up at 6, pray, then make the bed, wash the dishes, and clean the house. After 9, I go to the garden with my mom until 12. Then I shower and pray duhur. After that, I have lunch and play on my phone for about an hour. Then I sleep until around 3. Then wake up and pray asar. At 5, I go out and hang out with my friends. After 6, I come home and continue cleaning and pray Maghrib. After that, I have dinner at 7:30, then pray Isha. Then around 9, I hang out with friends until 10, then come on home and go to sleep.